Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make a logo for Twitch. So as we know, Twitch is a video platform, and let's start it. So first of all, open your Chrome browser, select your profile, open the Canva website. You can type canva.com or you can search on Google. After opening the canva.com, the Canva website, log in with the Gmail account. You can use your Gmail account to log in on the website. After logging in, as you can see, click on here, create design option. Then here you have to type logo, and you will get a option for Twitch logo, and click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you hundred suggestions and free templates, so you can use for your logo making. For example, I want to make a logo for my gaming channel, so I will search gaming and press the enter. As you can see, the templates I got, it's super cool and unique. You can choose here. Okay, this one looks cool. You can change the text as well. For now I will type Arya Gaming. You can change the text color as well. Just select the text and go to this A option, and you can change the color by selecting your color, and the color will be changed. You can also change the text as well as text font by clicking on here and choose as Poppins will be look good. Okay, now after doing all the changes, go to share option and click on download. Maximize the size and select the format and click on download, and your logo will be downloaded. So guys, this was the video on how to make a logo for Twitch. I hope you like it. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.